Hi everyone! Today I'm showing the Diagrid Dashboard, a visualization tool that you can use when developing and testing Dapr Workflow applications on your local machine. This is a dashboard. It shows all the workflows that have been executed. This runs as a container and it connects to your local Dapr state store. Currently it supports Redis, Postgres and SQLite. Now let me first run a new workflow instance and then I'll come back and show the data for that instance using this dashboard. Here I'm in VS Code and I'm using the Dapr Quickstarts repo. I'm in the tutorial/workflow folder. This folder contains many examples of Dapr Workflow for different languages. I'm running the task chaining workflow for C#. And this workflow chains 3 activities. Activity 1, 2, 3, combining words to form a sentence. Let's now make a request to start a new instance of this workflow and then switch back to the dashboard. The workflow is started and the instance ID we get back starts with 569. We're back in the dashboard and as you can see here, there is an instance ID that starts with 569. We see the workflow status, the type of workflow, the Dapr application ID, the start and end time of the instance, and when we hover over this clock, we also see the duration of the workflow. When I click on the instance ID, we see the workflow execution details. Here we again see the same information as the previous screen, but now we also see the input of the workflow instance, the output of the instance, and when we scroll down, we see the complete execution history. We see when the execution was started, when all the individual activities have been started and completed, and when the workflow has finished. And when we expand one of these events, for instance, the task completed for activity 1, we can see the input for the activity, but also the output for the activity. The menu on the left contains some links that are useful when you're developing or learning about Dapr Workflow. It also contains a link to Catalyst, our enterprise platform for workflow orchestration, service discovery and PubSub, powered by Dapr. You can download and run the dashboard yourself. The link will be in the description. Give it a go and send us your feedback. We want to provide you with the best developer experience for Dapr Workflow and we're here to help. Bye!